Hello and welcome to our Sunday update as we are checking in with Imperial Petroleum, and we're looking at here on Yahoo just initially. I'll show you the chart in just a second. We see this low PE ratio, and we know that well, oil was on an uptrend but it got beaten down a bit. But anyway, this one might be a standalone thing all by itself. Here's the check in with the chart. The longer term chart here. Let's go to the weekly 40 first. You can see this is a fairly new, because the averages have only just started really appearing here, so that's obviously exciting. Let's now just look at the log scale. Some of these stocks you really have to turn it on in order to actually see what's going on. So yeah, not much to go on because it's fairly new. So we'll go with the daily chart. Get a bit more detail here about impp. Again, put on the log scale here. As you can see, this has come down quite a lot from these peaks here around 6, even up as high as towards $10. So it's down a lot, trading around 43 cents. We don't have any breakout on volume yet, but I am going to say we can see the pushing up here, up at resistance, which is a nice round number at around 50 cents, which is typical. So I'm going to be checking in with this regularly for you. But we'll particularly be looking at like a break on volume above 50 cents, and a floor here around 37 cents is a good entry point also. So I've also checked the director's SEC filings. There's nothing showing there yet. So stay tuned, subscribe, and we will see what happens next. And just as an update on one of our previous stocks we're looking at, tgtx, TG Therapeutics. There is that pop we were waiting for, and it was insane. That's like a 50% rise in the first day. I think options we had on that went up like 10,000%. So really cool. But more to come. That's not just a pop. There's now going to be, this is on high volume. This needs to just settle down, form a nice shelf, and accumulate. And that's also going to be a great stock trade by itself. So that's just an example of something you can look forward to by subscribing or being on the premium service especially, and I will speak to you very soon.